And I'm going to ask you a simple question.
Kamiti ya mbunge igii kunyabara uhuthiri wa kigina kia muingi PIC nirekereirie uthuthuria wigie kandarathi cia ngungo ruhonge-ini rwa uguri na wendia wa dawa rwa KEMSA. Kuri thurimira murugamiriri wa kambuni ya Deekay Relief Ltd iria ni imwe ya kambuni iria ciaheirwo kandarathi cia kumenderia indo cia guteithiriria kuhurana na king'uki gia COVID-19.
Do you find it odd that you were able to get 180 million shillings?
Gideon Simiyu uria kurugamirire kambuni ino hindi ya ikaro kia umuthi thutha wa ene kambuni ino guthurimwo kiumia kihituku. Niagiire na ihinda iritu gutariria uria maheirwo kandarathi ya ciringi mirioni 180. Ona thengia wa gukorwo matire marutithania wira na ruhonge ruru rwa KEMSA hau kabere.
And you don't have that element of remembering anyone at all?
Me, I visited an office. I didn't go to an individual.
Okay.
So when I went there,
do you find it odd that you were able to get 180 million shillings worth of business by just simply sending a document, being called, supply, being paid without even knowing anyone? And by the way, this is nothing else. Considering everything else, that this is a company that is not even based in Kenya. No due diligence has been done on this company. Did you find that odd?
Request maybe for payments or asking where the payments.
No, the whole thing in general.
Iguru ria uguo PIC ni endire kumenya uria kambuni ya kuma nja wa bururi yaheirwo kandarathi ino thiini wa ihinda inini na igicoka kurihwo mbeca icio ihinda-ini ria mieri 3 na thengia wa kambuni ingi cia guku bururi-ini gukorwo itari ciamukira marihi mao hari thuguri ya wendia wa indo kuri KEMSA mieri mingi mihituku.
And you verbally told people I can be able to supply 20,000 pieces. Miraculously, they give you an indication of what the price should be. Miraculously, you say we cannot be able to supply all of them. Miraculously, they give you a commitment letter, the second commitment letter, and just like that. That's your answer.
No, that's not my answer.
That is what you're telling us.
Not miraculously. Remember, my Sony affidavit is clearly indicated that I was...
Forget about what you swore.
Yes.
In fact, as a matter of fact, if it is about talking about what you're swearing,
yes,
the level of contradictions that you've been telling us so far, we're going to now start asking ourselves whether you're misleading this committee under oath. And I'm going to ask you a simple question. All these things just happen just like that?
The way I have explained.
Before you undertook to be an agent of Deekay, there are certain basic requirements that you need to know. That what type of company is this? What their dealings? What are they coming to do in this country? Could it be a security threat company? Is it going to? Those are the issues that the chair is asking you. So why did you take an undertaking that you didn't understand in the first place?
Kamiti ino riu itanyitwo guthie keheri-ini niguo kuhariria riboti yao ya muthia igie uthuthuria uyu wa KEMSA uria ukoretwo ugithie na mbere kwa ihinda na thutha ucio matamanie riboti yao mbunge-ini niguo kwariririo. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Mwaura Wagunya.